Hi, welcome back to another Hollander Team video blog. I guess there's a question there. That's what's going on with the bridge in Bigfork. So for those of you that don't know, the bridge was closed down about a year ago to all traffic because it was old and deemed unsafe. So the bridge was taken down and is in the process of being replaced. And that's the reason for the video today, is that the new bridge is primarily in place. The concrete driveway or street has been poured on the bridge, and they're putting up the side barriers and things like that now, and some other things. I think their goal is to have it ready for the 4th of July, and it's getting pretty close. I've included a picture here for you to see what the progress looks like, and you can see where the deck has been poured, and now they're working on the curbs, and then there's going to be a walkway across there, and so they've got a barrier between the street area and the walkway that's going to be poured, and then the approaches will be the final part that gets installed there. So, and then I'm also including a link that you can click on, and that will take you to the Montana Department of Transportation website and the progress of the bridge. It's pretty interesting because it has images from when the previous bridge was standing to when it was torn down, or I should say it was actually picked up and craned away from the river and then dismantled. And then daily photographs of the progress that's been made up to today. So hope you enjoy this. Come to Bigfork and enjoy the new bridge and drive through the downtown. I know the merchants there would greatly appreciate a little bit of traffic that was passed by in the last year, and business that didn't quite get as much as they had hoped for. The other thing too is the bridge does supply parking area on the other side of the river so that you can walk into town from there. So enjoy. Please share this with your friends, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll have another good video coming up for you shortly.